Mi Xao Chay, only 20,000 dong. Street food at its best. I found this by chance this morning on my bicycle ride. You could either choose noodles or pasta. I chose the pasta. 20,000 dong gets you pasta, tofu, spring roll, fried wonton, some vegetables, and a soy sauce, and some chilies. Unbelievable. 20,000 dong. What's that? 70p? Ridiculous. Anyway, I'm going to try my food at home. Here we go. Put that pasta in my mouth. Delicious. Please like and subscribe to my new vegan channel. Here we go. Some fried tofu. Delicious. Put that in my mouth.